Hello, you guys. I am back. And I am back. I am around my neighborhood. And I am not far away from where I live, right? Around the corner. And I want to show you guys some of the work they were doing. So this is normally where I walk across to go to the lake. But they're doing work. You see? They have shut it off. They've shut off this area. This is normally where I go to, the lake at. And they have shut this area off. Normally, this is the way I would walk. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to walk that way. I'm just going to show you guys where I would normally walk. I don't have a stand with me. So, I would normally walk here. That's the way that I would normally walk to the lakefront, right, you guys? So this is by where I live. So I'm gonna go and just look at some of the brownstone in my neighborhood really quick around the block. Like I said, I love it over here. This is where they're building. Prayerfully, when they're finished, it's as beautiful as the rest, but of the area. They're doing construction, as you guys can see. This is where I normally walk. This is Chicago. South side, east, southeast side, Lake Shore Drive area. And I'm just gonna show you, I'm just taking a walk in the neighborhood, showing you just the area that they're fixing up. You see, you know what? You guys, it was just too good to be true. Because at one point, I wanted a property right here. I wanted this. I wanted this area right here. I used to want this right here. Not the house, not their house, not theirs. But this right here. Imagine that. And now, they wasn't going to give it to me. This city of Chicago. I ain't had no money, no way. But I will earn the money. Yes. At one point now they're doing all the building and stuff in the neighborhood, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So, yeah. There's some really nice structures with property. One of my favorites. One of my favorites. And I was looking at property, and I'm gonna see, I don't know if some gentlemen are there, but it was a really nice property. But I'm gonna turn around. Excuse me, y'all. Stop making noises, Jesus. But this is just a nice little area over here, I promise. I kid you not. So I'm not gonna be walking around. I am turning back around because I am going to the store. And I just want to hop on because I want you guys to see that. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Anyway, I'm about to head on out here where I'm about to fall. Lord help her. I'm about to fall, y'all. When I be showing y'all my outfits, honey, I am total casual. This is just stuff that I'm throwing on to go to the lakefront, going for a walk. You know what I'm saying? This is not dressed up. This is just comfortable. Comfortable. I'm a relaxed kind of person. Now, when I get dressed up, I will show you guys when I'm dressed up. But I'm not dressed up. Okay, this is comfortable. When I say the clothes that I like and everything, I mean just, comfort. I mean for comfort. You know what I'm saying? So this is how I dress for comfort. That's all. That's all I'm trying to say. And keep away the construction work. And I'm going to show you guys when it get done. Hey, come around and I will show you when it's done. But this is the beginning. Well, not really the beginning, but they're not done. And I'm done.
Got to beat my powers and we just made a bang.
I like him too. He my man, he my boo, he my type, he's so cute. I want him and I want